Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to be a Twitch streamer. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to become a successful Twitch streamer, you need to simply download Twitch app, or you can simply visit its website and create a Twitch account. Now once you have created a Twitch account, you need to set up your streaming equipments. Choose streaming software and stream consistently. So once you are streaming consistently, you need to also keep in mind that you need to interact with your audience. You need to now promote your channel as well to grow faster, and you can also upload different kind of videos on your Twitch account. So by communicating with the audience and meeting their demands, like what they want or what kind of stream they are seeking for, you can be a successful Twitch streamer. So you should keep in mind that all the streams are going to help you promote your channel on Twitch, and this will help you grow as a successful streamer as well. So this is how you can be a Twitch streamer. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.